Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful guide on how to download and install HP LaserJet 1022 printer driver in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, you need to proceed at the bottom search bar and type for Chrome. Once you've typed it, wait until a best match would appear, and once it's here, please click on this opt-in option so that you would be able to bring up the Google Chrome browser. So eventually, wait until you would be redirected to this new window, which is our Google Chrome browser. And if two windows are being opened, please close the other one so that we can focus in this one. So we just have to wait until a search bar would be available at the center before we proceed. Now here at the search bar, please type for HP LaserJet 1020 driver. Now, the reason why you type for 1020 instead of 1022 is that 1020 100% work for 1022 driver. So no worries for that. Okay, so click on enter. And the moment you do it, you will be redirected to the list of results. Please proceed with the first result where you can see this one. Please click on it. And eventually, you would be redirected to this new window where you can see the HP LaserJet 1020 series, and that includes the 1022 since it will work for the 1022 as well. Now, aligning to it or under it, you can see there an option where you can download it. Click on this download option. And from that moment on, it will now start on the downloading process. We just have to wait until it will be completed. So just check it here. Click on this download icon at the upper right side of the screen to check the download progress. So we just have to wait until this will be finished before we can continue on the installation. Now, once it is being downloaded, click this folder icon next to it, and you would be redirected to this location. So from here, we need to move on the moving of this application to the desktop. So by that, please click on this cut icon at the left side of it, close the window, as well as this. Please do a right click here at the desktop screen and go with this paste icon. The moment you have successfully moved it here at the desktop, we need to proceed on the extracting of this file. So by that, do a right click and move on to the bottom side of that where you can see this one, WinRAR. Go with this extract too. So in that moment on, it will now start on the extracting of this file. We just have to wait until it will be finished before we can proceed. Okay? So once done, please navigate to your file explorer, bring it up. Proceed to the left pane where you can see this option called desktop, and from here you can see the extracted file. So from that moment on, you can now close the window. Proceed to the start icon, do a right click, scroll up and click on settings. You can also press Windows key and I key together, and in that way you would be able to bring up the settings window. Once you are being navigated here, we just have to wait until everything are set. And once everything are set or showing at the settings, please proceed at the left side of that where you can see a list of the options. Please locate with the option called Bluetooth and devices, and under the Bluetooth and devices, please locate with the devices option. Now, once you have bring up the devices section, all you need to do is you need to scroll down, locate with related settings, and at the fifth of that, you can see there are more devices and printer settings. So tap on it so that you would be able to bring up this kind of window which contains the devices and that includes the printers that you have installed. So from here, we need to proceed at the top of that where you can see an option called add a printer. So in that moment, you will be able to show up this window where here proceed at the bottom of that where you can see an option called the printer that I want is enlisted. Select this fifth option which is add a local printer or network printer with manual settings and go with next. So here, it will ask you to choose for existing port. Just click on this down arrow key and choose among of these three USB ports. So it could be USB 001, the 2, and the 3. In my case, I'll be using 001 USB port. Go with next and go with have this, go with browse, and wait until this window will appear where we can locate the file that we have extracted. So since it is being placed at the desktop, navigate to the desktop and from here, please scroll down, locate with this one, double tap to it. Okay, and please scroll down and you will be able to see two driver here. So just select among of these two. Okay, you can select auto run as well. So go with open, click on OK, and it will show you the driver or printer driver for HP LaserJet. So since the target of this video is to download and install for HP LaserJet 1022, then select this one please. Go with next. Go with next once again and eventually it will now start on the installation. We just have to wait for a couple of minutes until it will be finished or completed. And if your user account control would ask you to say yes, proceed with yes so that you can continue on the installation. So from here, please click on next. And if you would like it to set as your default printer, check this box. In my case, I'm leaving it unchecked and go with finished. So in that way, you have just successfully installed the HP LaserJet 1022 printer driver in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So by that, you can now close the window as well as this, and you're good to go. Now, if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.